Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're looking at the best curbside offers until September the 16th. So you're going to hit that blue box on the left-hand side, order this stuff through your cell phone, desktop computer, laptop, whatever you're using. You drive to the store and pick it up. Most of these deals are just deals. There's not a specific basket of spend 30, get back, 15 or whatever it is. So if they start canceling little items out on you, it doesn't really matter because it's not predicated on a basket. But yeah, this is today's curbside video. So if you are more of a tactile shopper, I would recommend to watch yesterday's video where I walk through the store and say, get this, get that, do this, do that. A lot of people do better in the store than ordering online. Now, this morning, a lot of us got this 40% back of Walgreens cash when you spend $1 plus. This is valid from the 14th to the 17th, so the fun starts on Thursday. Please pay attention to the date. Mathematically, 40% back on $1 is 40 cents. Bumping it up to $10, it's $4. Bumping it up to 20, it's 8. So I think towards a $20 basket, we're getting a little warmer that this could be potentially something great. We're going to figure out on Thursday what this is all about. Because there's a little asterisk there next to it. So I don't know fully what this is about. I've seen one of these boosters years back, but we'll have to wait and see. Now, in store on Thursday, if we're getting back $16 for a $40 basket with that little booster, stacking this with it, that could be $25 back on a $40 basket. So everything that didn't seem so great in the Sunday video could be huge, huge money makers. So I'm definitely going to be testing some stuff out on Thursday morning. If you could do me a huge, huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would really mean a lot to me. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, completely free, and I would really appreciate it. Okay, let's talk about deal number 1. So for this deal, 100% digital, of course, we're going to be throwing in 3 of these 4.5 ounce crests. It has to be this specific one, which is the crest with scope. They are $3.29, so 3 of them is $9.87. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon, and then when you purchase 3 of these, you're getting back, I believe, $5 in Walgreens cash as well, making it completely free. We're also going to throw in the BOGO 50% off Scott, so 1 paper towel and 1 toilet paper. Yesterday we got digital coupons for both, so that makes it a little better. No IVC this week or this month for these products. It's just BOGO 50% off. A little easier that way. And these are the digital manufacturers that you have to load for both paper products. We have $1 off for the toilet paper and $1 off for the paper towel. Looking at the overall basket, it's $17.37. Curbside pickup is free. $7 melting off right there. $5 for Crest and $1 each for the Scott. $11.41. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.41 and get back $5 for Crest. I think this is a super smart deal. Okay, so the next deal that we have is deal number 2. We are going to grab 4 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. You guys were saying yesterday that across the board, this is such a better shampoo than Pantene and Tresemme. Lots of shoppers are saying this is their favorite. So I just thought we would really cater a basket with 4 of these shampoos. So add 4 to a basket. You might have to mix and match. Okay, so we're going to load this manufacturer, which is a 4 off of 2, a very generous coupon. And then we're also going to make sure that we have our 3 off 2, which is another manufacturer, and the $2 off IVC on the right-hand side, load that. And the IVC coupon will attach to every single bottle, just to note that. Get the basket past the $10 threshold because of the IVC. We're going to throw in 3 of these crests. And then we're going to load our friend, which is the 5 off of 3 digital. So this is kind of a crazy little basket, but we have all these digital coupons coming off. L'Oreal, the IVC, the $5 for the Crest, and then the $3 off of 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo. So the overall basket was $27.87, IVC coming off, free curbside pickup, $12 in manufacturers melting off for you guys. So you're going to pay $13.30. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay $3.30, and then get back $5, and that is part of the Crest promotion of buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. Okay, the next deal that we have is deal number 3. We are going to grab one of these massive boxes of the Playtex for $11.99 and then 3 tubes of the toothpaste because it's free. I just think it's such a great deal. Alternatively, if you can't track down the toothpaste, I have a bunch of cleaning products with digital coupons. The last deal, you could Frankenstein something else with that. Okay, so we need to load our best friend, which is this $4 off, and it's just such a great little coupon. I mean, there's no way to, it's fantastic. Along with this guy, so that's $9 off right there, so it's a smart deal. Okay, so we have $21.86 free curbside pickup, $8 melting off, $14.45. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay the $4.45 and get back $5 for the Crest promotion. Just if you're running low on these products, it's a great little stock up time. Okay, so deal number 4. We are going to be grabbing one of the Schick men's razors, a little bit more expensive at $10.99. If you can track down the $9.99 razors, that's the better deal. And then one of the ladies also for the same price point. Okay, and we're going to load the following digitals. That's a $4 off for the ladies and a $4 off for the dudes. Okay, and as you can see, both of them are coming off. And the promotion for this is to buy 2, get $8 back in Walgreens cash. So $21.86, $8 melting off, pay $15.30 or roll $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $5.30, and you're getting back $8 for buying the 2 Schick razors. What a deal. The final deal that we have is deal number 5, and this is just a hodgepodge of cleaning products. The first is 2 of the microbrand products at $4.99. 3 for $16. Wow, that is expensive. We're going to load this digital, which is a $4.79 off of 2, so a little bit of savings for you. You're basically getting 1 for free, so nothing too bad there. And then we have this Febreze fabric spray for $3.29. That's almost 50% off. And we have a $2.30 digital. Please make sure you have this loaded. If you have pets, you know this stuff is magic in a bottle. And then one of the Mr. Cleans for $5.99. So that's $2 of savings right there. But we also have a $2 digital that is attaching to this product. So just to show you the pretty little chorus line of digitals that melted off, here they all are. Pretty high value coupons if you look at it too. So not hating this, but if you just want some cleaning products, this is the basket for you. It's $19.26 free curbside pickup, $9.08 coming off. $11.34. I would pay $10 in Walgreens cash. If you have it, pay $1.34 and call this a really good meat and potatoes cleaning basket. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.